It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Shifting gears, let's spotlight a fantastic new community in Vancouver and give you the lowdown on what to expect weather-wise next week. The weather forecast for next week looks good. Expect partly cloudy skies with plenty of sunshine, perfect for checking out some open houses or taking a stroll through the city. Now, let's delve into our featured community, Templeton Vancouver. Picture a place that harmoniously blends modern European design with sustainable living. That's the unique offering of Templeton Vancouver. Nestled at 2250 East First Avenue, this new condo and townhouse community by Dimex Group is set to be completed in the summer of 2024. Its innovative approach is already sparking interest, and it's not hard to see why. The Templeton Vancouver boasts 60 thoughtfully designed units spread across 4 stories. Whether you're seeking a snug 1.5 bedroom unit or a more spacious 3.5 bedroom layout, there's a home here that's just right for you. One of the most compelling aspects of the Templeton Vancouver is its unwavering commitment to sustainability. These homes are constructed with passive house technology, featuring super insulated walls and triple glazed windows. This ensures exceptional energy efficiency, creating a healthy living environment with filtered air circulation. You'll also appreciate the luxury vinyl plank flooring and the quartz countertops with matching full height backsplash in the kitchens. Right now, there's a special deposit structure for the next 3 homes sold, requiring only a 10% deposit split into 2 parts. Plus, there's an incentive of up to $80,000 off if you purchase in Q2 2024, making it an even more attractive opportunity. If you're in the market for a new home that blends cutting edge design with sustainability, the Templeton Vancouver is worth checking out. Contact us today to learn more.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home.